Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video, and in this video I am going to show you how to cancel your Midjourney subscription. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel your subscription in Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Chrome or any other browser that you use at first, and after that search for Midjourney. Then open the site of midjourney.com and then go to Midjourney Home, and then into this page you will get to see this menu option at the bottom left. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get manage subscription option into here. Again tap into manage subscription and now you will get your subscription details into this page. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit until you see this cancel plan option right into billing and payment. Just simply tap into cancel plan option and then you will get to confirm the cancellation by clicking into this confirm cancellation option, and then your Midjourney plan will successfully be cancelled. By following this very easy step, you can easily cancel your plan on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.